guys, so in this video I'll be working with you through a detailed review of Meticore, as I am someone who has bought and used it myself. So I'll work with you guys through this scam that made me lose about $200. My experience and results I got from using Meticore, the pros and cons that come with Meticore, and finally every other thing you need to know so that you will be able to make an informed decision on whether or not Meticore is the right detox for you. So I'll walk you through the scam that made me lose about $200, where I was trying to get Meticore for myself. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Meticore is not a good product. I myself have used it to shed a lot of pounds, so let me explain. I first heard of Meticore while I was reading an article about losing weight on healthline.com. It appeared as an advert on the sidebar of the website and I simply clicked over. I had a good look through the page, and due to the fact that I was desperate, I actually moved to pull the trigger and make the payment for Meticore supplement. But through all of that and doing my research and searching for reviews online to see what other people were seeing about Meticore supplements, I actually went on YouTube to search for reviews, but I couldn't find any real videos. All I could find were a bunch of videos with text and robots, which are clearly just made to make you buy the product. Now, I don't want to go and search for reviews, but I found some genuine reviews on Google, and I read the reviews, and after reading them I decided to buy it because people talked good about Meticore. But where the scam actually happened was when I was actually going to go and buy it. I saw a website that promoted a 90% discount off Meticore, and as a human being, which I am, I hopped over to the website to buy it from there. Immediately I entered my credit card details and hit the buy button, and I noticed that all my money in my account at that time, which was $200, was actually withdrawn by the scammers that had created those discount websites that looked like the real and official Meticore websites. To cut the long story short, the bottom line is that I got scammed out of $200 that was currently in my account at the time. And that's one of the reasons I'm making this video, to save other women like me from getting scammed as well. So to prevent scamming, I have put a direct link to the Meticore official website with the latest discounted price in the description below, so that when you guys are done watching this video, learning the pros and cons and making the final decision on whether or not you're going to use Meticore, you can actually click over through the direct link in the description and buy your Meticore bottles from the official Meticore website to make sure you're not getting scammed. It will be the first link in the description video. So now that I've walked you guys through the scam that I experienced and how you can prevent getting scammed as well, let me know what you guys think of my personal experience of Meticore and the results that I have gotten in the span of using it. So to keep everything short, I bought Meticore and started using it, and since then I've actually shedded a lot of weight, as you guys can see here. I think I look good with how I look right now. So yes, Meticore works, but it took me about 2 months of consistent use for me to start seeing visible results with my weight loss journey. So guys, I will strongly recommend you go get Meticore if you're looking to lose weight, because it has worked for me and I believe that it will work well for you also. But remember that while you're buying, you have to make sure that you buy it from the right and official Meticore website. To be 100% safe, I recommend that you click through the direct link that I have put in the description of this video. And even if you're not ready to buy it now, you can actually save this video to your bookmarks or to your watch later playlist here on YouTube, so that you can come back to the video later to use the link when you are ready to buy. So now that I've walked you guys through the scam that I discovered and my personal experience, let me now walk you through the pros and cons that I discovered whilst using Meticore. I'll start with the pros, and the first thing that I would love to mention as a pro that comes with the supplement is the fact that it works. I have personally tried lots and lots of weight loss diets and solutions over the years, but this one is one of the ones that has gotten me the most results. The second thing that I would like to mention as a pro that comes with Meticore is the fact that it actually does not require you to do much physical work. It goes inside your body to control leptin, which is the hormone that I think facilitates the production of fats in your body. The third thing that I would like to mention as a pro that comes with Meticore is the fact that it is actually made of natural ingredients, and this fact actually reduces the amount of side effects that this one has given me. Now, the fourth and final thing that I would love to mention as a pro that comes with Meticore is the fact that it actually has a 60-day money-back guarantee, which just makes everything 100% risk-free, as you can buy it, try it, and get your money back if you don't like the results that you are getting. But it is important to know that if you fall into the hands of scammers that I talked about, you won't be getting a refund. So it's important that you buy it from the right source. I put the direct link to the real and official Meticore website with the latest discounted price and where I bought mine the second time from below in the description of this video, so that when I am ready to buy it, it will be completely easy for you. So now that we've seen the pros, let's now look at the cons that come with Meticore. Even though the supplement provided me with significant results in my weight loss life, there were still a few things that I didn't really like, and I'll talk about them now so that you know if you can cope with them. So first of all, Meticore takes its own sweet time to show in your results, and without a strict follow-up on the supplement, the outcome is minimal. Moreover, the effect that it has will vary considerably from one person to another, depending on the individual psychological functions, and no two results will be the same. So to wrap up the review, Meticore actually works, but you have to be willing to follow the prescribed dosage and have the patience, as I started seeing significant results after 1 month of using Meticore. Also, you have to make sure that you're not buying from anyone that promises you huge discounts on any websites at all. That's how I got scammed and lost $200 at first, but later I bought it from the official website, and the weight loss supplements are amazing. Also guys, if you want to give this video a like and a comment so that it will rank higher and get seen by more people, so that we can ensure that scamming does not happen. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you at the end of your weight loss journey as people that all smashed their goals. Also, if you have any questions regarding Meticore, I will strongly recommend you type it in the comment section below so that I'll answer it as soon as I can. Once again, thanks for watching guys. Peace.